Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Man-Child Collectibles, the channel where I go through my toy collection, my displays, and any other useless information for your average adults. And I am your host, the Man-Child. On today's episode, I'm going to cover my largest display, my Avengers MCU collection. And as every year goes by, Disney keeps introducing more and more characters to the MCU roster. And as a toy collector, you want to hunt them all down to add to your own personal display. Most of the figures within this collection is from Hasbro's Marvel Legends series, with a couple of custom figures thrown in that Hasbro hasn't done, and a few placeholders until we get an MCU version of those characters. Since this is my largest display I have within my collection, I will not be reviewing each figure individually. Not only will it take up a huge amount of time, but also I just do not want to deal with the hassle of going back and reposing all these guys all over again. So, without wasting any more time, let's get to it. Hey Cap, you ready to introduce them? Action figures! Assemble.